Imagine turning your financial life around in just 1 year. Meet Sarah, a single mother who is drowning in debt and living paycheck to paycheck. With determination and a plan, she transformed her financial situation within 12 months, going from constant stress to financial stability. Her secret? A series of simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. In this video, we'll explore how changing your mindset about money, creating a budget, reducing expenses, increasing your income, and saving and investing can lead to financial success. We'll also discuss the importance of education, skill development, networking, and mentorship in achieving your goals. By following these steps, you too can achieve financial freedom and security, no matter where you're starting from. Join us as we break down each step and show you how to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Section 1. Mindset Shift. Changing your mindset about money is the first and most important step to becoming rich. Meet John, who always thought he would be poor. He believed that wealth was only for the lucky or those born into it. This negative thinking kept him stuck in a cycle of debt and frustration. One day, John decided to change his beliefs. He started reading books and listening to podcasts about financial success. He learned that his negative thoughts about money were holding him back. By believing he could become wealthy, he opened his mind to new possibilities. John began using daily affirmations, telling himself, "I can achieve financial success." He also set clear financial goals, like saving a certain amount each month. These simple changes in his mindset made a huge difference. He started seeing opportunities and felt more motivated. You can do the same. Change how you think about money, believe in your ability to become rich, and set clear goals. Practice daily affirmations to keep a positive outlook and stay focused on your financial goals. Section 2. Budgeting. Budgeting is a powerful tool to control your money. Meet Lisa, who always wondered where her money went each month. She decided to create a budget to find out. Lisa started by listing all her income and expenses. She used a simple method called the 50 by 30 by 20 rule. 50% of her income for needs like rent and groceries, 30% for wants like dining out and entertainment, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This helped her see where her money was going. By following her budget, Lisa saw she was spending too much on things she didn't need. She cut back on dining out and canceled unused subscriptions. This allowed her to save more money and pay off debts faster. Creating a budget can help you control your money too. Track your income and expenses, use the 50 by 30 by 20 rule, and adjust your spending habits. Budgeting is a key step towards financial freedom. Section 3. Reducing expenses. Reducing expenses is a simple yet effective way to save money. Consider the story of Mike, who always felt like he didn't have enough money, even though he earned a decent salary. One day, Mike decided to take a closer look at his spending. Mike began by tracking every penny he spent for a month. He was surprised to find how much he was spending on coffee, snacks, and eating out. These small expenses added up to a significant amount each month. Realizing this, Mike decided to make some changes. First, he started making coffee at home and brought his lunch to work. He also reviewed his subscriptions and canceled the ones he didn't use. Instead of going to the movies every weekend, he found free or low-cost activities to enjoy with friends and family. These small changes had a big impact. Mike was able to save a substantial amount each month. This extra money went towards paying off his debt and building an emergency fund. You can do the same. Start by tracking your spending to see where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back, like dining out or unused subscriptions. Opt for homemade meals, free entertainment, and cancel subscriptions you don't use. These small adjustments can lead to significant savings over time, without sacrificing your quality of life. Section 4. Increasing income. Increasing your income is a great way to improve your financial situation. Take the example of Anna, who was struggling to make ends meet with her regular job. She decided to find ways to earn extra money. First, Anna looked for a side hustle that fit her skills and interests. She started freelancing as a graphic designer in her spare time. This allowed her to make extra money without sacrificing too much of her free time. Anna also sold handmade crafts online, turning her hobby into a profitable business. Next, Anna considered her current job. She took on additional responsibilities and completed some online courses to improve her skills. After a few months, she asked her boss for a raise, showcasing her contributions and new qualifications. Her boss agreed, and Anna received a higher salary. These changes made a big difference in Anna's finances. The extra income from freelancing and her raise at work allowed her to pay off debts and start saving for the future. You can increase your income too. Look for side hustles that match your skills and interests. Some easy-to-start side hustles include freelancing in writing or design, tutoring, pet sitting, or selling products online. Consider asking for a raise at your current job or finding a higher-paying job. With some effort and creativity, you can boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Section 5. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are key steps to building wealth. Look at the story of Emma, who started with just a small savings account and gradually built a strong financial future. Emma began by setting a goal to save a part of her income each month. She opened a high-yield savings account to earn more interest on her savings. By automatically transferring a fixed amount from her paycheck to her savings account, she made saving a habit. Once she had a comfortable emergency fund, Emma started learning about investing. She discovered the power of compound interest, where her money could grow over time. Emma decided to start small by investing in low-cost index funds, which spread her money across many different companies and reduced her risk. Emma used apps that made investing easy and automated. These apps allowed her to invest spare change from everyday purchases, making it simple to grow her investments without large upfront amounts. She also invested in her retirement account, taking advantage of her employer's matching contributions. Over time, her investments grew significantly thanks to regular contributions and compound interest. You can follow Emma's steps. Start by saving a portion of your income each month. Once you have some savings, learn about investing and begin with small amounts. Start with low-cost index funds to minimize risk and use apps for micro-investing to make it easy. With patience and consistency, your money will grow and you'll build a secure financial future. Section 6. Education and skill development. Investing in education and skills is essential for financial success. Take Sam's story as an example. Sam was stuck in a low-paying job and knew he needed to improve his skills to earn more. Sam started by identifying the skills that were in demand in his field. He found many free or low-cost courses online that could help him learn these skills. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offered courses in various subjects. Sam dedicated time each week to study and complete these courses. In addition to online learning, Sam attended workshops and seminars related to his profession. These events helped him gain new knowledge and meet people who could offer advice and support. Sam also read books and listened to podcasts about personal finance and professional development. This helped him stay motivated and learn from successful people in his field. As Sam's skills improved, he applied for better-paying jobs and was soon hired for a position with a higher salary. His new skills not only boosted his income but also made him more confident and satisfied with his work. You can do the same. Identify the skills you need to advance in your career, take advantage of online resources, and continually seek opportunities to learn and grow. Websites like YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer free or affordable courses in various fields. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to secure your financial future. Section 7. Networking and mentorship. Building a strong network and finding mentors can greatly boost your financial success. Take the story of James, who was struggling to grow his small business. He realized he needed advice and connections to move forward. James began attending local business events and joining online forums related to his industry. He made an effort to meet new people and build relationships. By talking to other business owners, he learned new strategies and gained valuable insights. James also sought out a mentor, someone experienced in his field who could provide guidance. He approached a successful business owner he admired and asked for advice. To his surprise, the person was happy to help. With regular meetings, James received personalized advice that helped him avoid mistakes and seize new opportunities. Through networking, James also found new clients and partners, which helped his business grow. His mentor introduced him to potential investors, leading to additional funding for his business. You can do the same. Attend industry events, join online communities, and actively seek to build relationships with others in your field. Look for mentors who can offer guidance and support. Effective networking involves being genuine, listening more than talking, and offering help to others. To find mentors, reach out to experienced individuals in your industry and ask for their advice. Networking and mentorship can open doors to opportunities and provide the knowledge you need to succeed financially. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.